Good morning, guys. Let's have a beach day. So I have this really cute pink bandeau one, and then I have this like teal bikini. I don't know which one to wear. I decided to go with the teal blue, and I think it's so cute. And then I'm gonna pack my bags. In this little pouch, I packed like some tanning lotion or spray, and then like some sunscreen lotion and like my hair products. I'm gonna wear this yellow top that I bought yesterday. I feel like it could be cute, and why not just be colorful? Okay, so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out a hoodie that I probably want to wear. I'm gonna pick this cute hoodie that has like a little cutout. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready and do my hair and makeup. Makeup is always settle. I just literally do some concealer, like waterproof concealer and waterproof mascara, just because I don't have my lashes done right now. Okay, I decided to change into this red top that I also got yesterday, and I put my hair in a little cute messy ponytail. I'll probably take it out later when I get to the beach. I'm gonna pick out my sunglasses now. Okay guys, let's go. Leftover Dr. Pepper. This is my breakfast for the day. I have chicken tenders. They're still freaking cold. We also have Celsius, my favorite flavor. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick up my friend Ella. Hey guys, we made it to the beach. Okay. Guys, we're going to the water. Hey guys, we just finished taking pictures. Now we're gonna go swimming. The water's so warm. Bikini, we're literally not. We are too. So funny. We're gonna go get some lunch. We found a restaurant that's like 5 minutes away, and the parking was like kind of weird, but we're gonna put on a shirt and then go inside, and we're starving. Let's go! Okay guys, we're sitting upstairs. I'm just talking to the camera. Look at the view, guys. So yum. This is the menu. I don't know what I want. Okay guys, we got lobster rangoons, and we're gonna share this. These are so good. I give it a 9 out of 10. Okay guys, we got our sushi. This roll is mine, and then that's hers. Finished eating, and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to the beach. Yeah. We're just gonna sit here and probably take the nap. 4:08, so we got here at like 10, so so cute. See the flag. Look at the pigeons. I mean, not pigeons. The seagulls. It's so warm.